There's one called N8N. Have you heard of that one? That's a tool you could just like drag an AI with like a Google Doc or something, and it just like builds like a workflow. So it's super simple. You just drag and drop like OpenAI to like Google Doc, and it's really cool. It's super popular. Since all this AI stuff started coming out, a bunch of people have tried to figure out ways to like drag and drop AI with like your documents, right? To give kind of context of your stuff, your business or whatever. So there's one guy made N8N, and it's one of the things that do this, but there's a whole bunch of them. But pretty much you use it to build like it's like a no code editor essentially. When I get a text, have my agent look at it. If true, do this. If false, do this. Super basic, like way more basic than code. But it's really cool because it has all these integrations. So it's already plugged into your text messages and your Slack and your email and all this other junk. So you can make it do pretty cool stuff. So that's pretty much all it is. It's like a drag and drop no code editor for AI stuff. It's open source, so you can look at the code. You can also self-host it. So this is an instance that I host, and I use it for my business. So you can see it's connected to like my database and Google Sheets and all this other junk. And it pretty much just does like automations to keep track of stuff. So every day I look at the Facebook marketing API, check how much I spent on ads, and keep track of it. And that's pretty much it. That's the whole point of N8N, is just to make it really easy to like kind of drag and drop these little things together. So you can also look at previous executions and debug this. So this is the part that's like way better than code, because look, I can pull up all of the executions. I can see what the input was at this time, and then I can pin this input and rerun it and iterate on it like it's code, except there's no code. It's just little things you drag and drop. Except this one, I guess, is code, because you can write your own logic. So there's a bunch of YouTube tutorials on how to do cool stuff with it. So for example, people like automate blog post, right? For the dermatology, you could have it write a dermatology blog post every week and publish it. Or you could have it generate like Instagram images, post it every week, stuff like that. And if you need like a tutorial to follow or something, let me know. I can send you some stuff.